Welcome back to the HTML crash course. In this part 3, we are jumping right straight into some essential HTML tags, line breaks, horizontal rules, and how to format your text. No theory, just hands-on coding. First, let's talk about line breaks. In HTML, if you want to start a new line without starting a new paragraph, use the BR tag. Let's see an example of a BR tag. So this is the example. Let's see how it shows in the web page. Let's save it and then go to the tutorial and open it. So you can see this was whole a paragraph. This was a one paragraph tag, but BR text separates in it into two lines. So it doesn't add spaces like a paragraph. It doesn't add spaces like a paragraph, just a quick line jump. Next, we have the horizontal rule tag, the HR tag. It creates a horizontal line, a great way to divide sections. Like the BR tag, HR is also self-closing and doesn't need a closing tag. So let's see a example of the HR tag. This was the BR tag, and let's now show an example of the HR tag. Now save it and run it. And you can see this is the HR tag. The horizontal ruler tag has divided it into two sections. This is the above paragraph tag and this is the below paragraph tag. Now let's format some text. Starts with bold, italic, and underline. We can apply bold, italic, and underline to highlight or emphasize the words. Like let's see some code. If we want to make it bold, then we should use the B tag. You can see this is the bold tag. It emphasizes the words. We have done it wrong. Let's do it right. Now let's say it. This is the bold tag. It is used to highlight the words. And another one is the I tag and U tag. I tag is to see it in the italic form. We use I tag. You can see this is the I tag. The sentence is now in the italic form. And the U tag, the underline tag, just underlines the sentence. And this is the U tag. It underlines the whole sentence. That's it. Now a better and more semantic way to bold or italic is with strong and EM tag. It is used to help the screen readers and search engines understand my content better. Like it is used to emphasize the word. Like I have to, for people with disability who use the screen readers will be benefited by these tags, like the strong tag and the underline tag. It is similar of bold tag and EM tag. It's similar to the bold and italic tag. Let's say this one is strong and it's make a lot of emphasized. Now let's say it. So you can see it, no difference between the strong and bold in display, but it helps the disabled people who cannot hear or cannot see. They are held by the screen readers. And this one is the emphasize tag, same as the I tag or italic tag. Now, if you want to highlight or strike through text, use the mark tag, del tag, and ins tag. What does these three do? Let's check. Let's use the mark tag first. Mark tag here. Not the strong tag. Here's the mark tag. Let's see what mark tag does. It highlights the text. Mark tag highlights the text in yellow color. Now let's use the del tag. The del tag. What does del tag do? It's cross the line. If you want to delete something you have written and show it on the display also, you can use the del tag. And now for the ins tag. What does ins tag do? Let's get here. The underlines the text. It shows the inserted text, like if it is like a fill in the blank type. So lastly, let's do subscripts and superscripts. Super useful in math and chemistry. Let's do it. What does subscript do? This is the subscript. Let's save it and run it. What does it do? It's like a H2O. If you want to write this 2 here in below the H in smaller form, you have to use the subscript. Okay, you have to use the subscript like this. It's useful in the maths and the chemistry, especially this is a chemistry. And the superscript. Superscript is used in maths, especially like square, cube, something like that. Let's save it and run it. You can see this is what superscript do. It is super useful in the maths. So this wraps the part 3. You have just learned how to break lines, divide sections, and format text in HTML. In the next part, we will cover lists in HTML. Subscribe and keep coding. Bye bye.